by side. Logistics power, sharp and fast, with standards built to always last. From Luxembourg to distant lands, we carry the world in trusted hands. We are Wallenborn, strong and true, driven as one in all we do. Through night and day we roll with pride. Together we move side by side.